Hello students, how are you today? I am very fine. Thanks the one. How was the last time classwork? I think you did it very well, right? Of course, I know you are smart. You can do it. Okay, today we are going to see lesson 3. It is about trigonometrical values of an angles from tables. We are going to observe about sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta for 0 degree less than or equals to theta and theta less than 180 degree. In other words, for the angle between 0 degree and 180 degree, we are going to observe about acute angles and obtuse angles only. Objective: at the end of this lesson, you will be able to find the trigonometrical values of different angle from the table. And the second point that which is expected from you is find the trigonometrical value of obtuse angle by using acute angle. In the previous section, we created a table of trigonometric ratio for the special angles, namely 30 degree, 45 degree, and 60 degree. Theoretically, by following the same method, a table of trigonometric ratio can be constructed for any angle. There are tables of approximate values of trigonometric ratio of acute angles that have already been constructed by advanced arithmetic process. One such table is included at the end of this textbook. Okay, before we are going to discuss about this point, I want you to try this activity. I will give you 4 minutes. Use trigonometric table to find the value of each of the following. How was it? Did you do it? I think it is easy, right? Just simply refer on the textbook. Okay. If you know the values of one of the trigonometric ratio of an angle, you can use a table of trigonometric ratio to find an angle. The procedure is illustrated in the following example. Here it says, in example 1, find the measures of acute angles A corrected to the nearest degree. If sine A degree is equal to 0.521. Referring to the sine column of the table, we find that 0.521 does not appear there, right? the two values in the table closest to 0.521, one smaller and one larger, are 0.515 and 0.530. This value correspond to 31 degree and 32 degree respectively. Note that 0.521 is closer to 0.515, whose value corresponds to 31 degree. Therefore, measurement angle A is equals to 31 degree to the nearest degree. If you are going to round it to the nearest degree, it will become 31 degree. After we are going to compare the 2 points, that is 0.515 and 0.530. It is more closer with what? It's more closer with the values of 31 degree. That's why we say measurement angle is equals to 31 degree. Do you get me? Alright. Okay, the second example, find the length of the sides indicated by the small letters. So in A, the angle is 51 degree and the hypotenuse side is 2.7, and the side that indicated by the small letter is M. In the second question B, the side that's indicated by the small letter is N, the angle is 62 degree and adjacent is given. So when we come to the solution part, in the first question A, hypotenuse and one of the angle is given, and we are looking for the opposite sides. If you have opposite sides and hypotenuse, this will lead us to the trigonometric ratio of sine values. So sine 51 degrees equals to opposite over hypotenuse, which is the same as with m over 2.7. If you are going to bring 2.7 to the left hand sides of the equation, m is equals to 2.7 times sine 51 degree. If you refer sine 51 degree from the textbooks or from the end of the textbooks, we will get the values 0.77. If you multiply 2.7 by 0.77 and approximate to the nearest one decimal place, it becomes 2.1. So m is equals to 2.1. Let's come to the second question. In the second question, the opposite, we are looking for the opposite side and the adjacent is given. If you have opposite and adjacent, this will lead us to the trigonometric ratio of tan. Tan 62 degrees equals to opposite over adjacent. The opposite is n and the adjacent is 52. And if you bring 52 to the left hand sides of the equation, it will becomes n is equals to 52 times tan 62 degree. If you refer tan 62 degree at the end of this textbooks, the value is 1.881, and if you multiply 52 by 1.881, approximately it is the same as with 98 millimeter to the nearest millimeter. Notation: we abbreviate sine angle the whole square as sine square angle A. Similarly, we write cos square angle A and tan square angle A instead of cos angle A the whole square and tan angle A the whole square respectively. The other notation that which help us to enhance different questions is this 3 points. The first one, if measurement angle A plus measurement angle B is equals to 90 degree, that is A and B are complementary, sine A is equals to is cos B and again cos A is equals to sine B. Let's say, for example, if you are going to add 30 degree and 60 degree, it will give us what? 90 degree, right? So 30 degree and 60 degree are said to be complementary angle. Sine 30 and cos 60 degree are equal, and again cos 30 degree and sine 60 degree are equal because they are complementary angles. The second point is tan angle A is the same as with sine angle A over cos angle A. And the third point, if you are going to square sine angle A and cos angle A, and again if you add it together, it will give us always 1. Sine square A plus cos square A is equals to what? 1. Let's say, for example, sine 30 degree square and cos square 30 degree is equals to 1, because sine square A is 1 over 2, sine 30 is 1 over 2, 1 over 2 square becomes 1 over 4, and cos 30 degrees square root of 3 over 4. If you square root of 3 over 2, if you square it becomes 3 over 4. 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4 becomes, it is 4 over 4, which is equals to 1. So sine square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. For a positive obtuse angles are an angle greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. For the angle between 90 degree and 180 degree, sine theta is equals to sine 180 degree minus theta, and cos theta is equals to the negative of cos 180 degree minus theta, and the third one, tan theta is equals to the negative of tan 180 degree minus theta. Let's say, for example, example 3, with the help of the trigonometric table, find the approximate values of cos 100 degree A, and B sine 163 degree, C tan 160 degree. Using the rules that which we stated earlier, cos theta is equals to the negative of cos 180 degree minus theta. We obtain cos 100 degree is equals to minus cos 180 degree minus 100 degree. 180 degree minus 100 becomes the negative of cos 80 degree. From the trigonometric table, we have cos 80 degree, which is equals to 0.174. Therefore, cos 100 degree is equals to negative 0.174. B, from the relation sine theta is equals to sine 180 minus theta, we have sine 160 degree is equals to sine 180 degree minus 163 degree. 180 degree minus 163 degrees is equals to 70 degree. So sine 163 degrees is equals to sine 70 degree. From the table, sine 70 degrees equals to 0.292. Therefore, sine 163 degrees equals 0.292. To find tan 160 degree, tan 160 degree is the same as with sine 160 degree divided by cos 160 degree, which is equals to sine 20 degree over cos 20 degree, because if the angle is obtuse angle, sine is positive but cos is negative. That's why we say here sine 20 degree over the negative of cos 20 degree. So positive divided by negative becomes negative. So negative sine 20 degree over cos 20 degree is equals to the negative of tan 20 degree. From the table, we have tan 20 degree is equals to 0.364. Therefore, tan 160 degrees equals to negative 0.64. So I think the above information are easy and clear. So if you really understand it, you are expected to do question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last time classwork question number 2 and 3, because it needs table values that which you are going to refer on the last page of this textbooks. Next time I'm going to provide the corrections of all 3 classworks. Make sure you did the right answers, okay? Practice, practice, make perfect. Study hard. Don't forget it. Have a nice time. Bye.